Hey! Stop intimidating our people, okay? Stop intimidating our people. Yeah, you're intimidating our people. Stop that.
If you're in, you're out.
Stop. Oh, no. Like, stop intimidating our people.
We're in
No.
here now. We're here. We're Canadians. We are where we want to be. We're Canadians. We have the freedom to be on the street.
You had your chance. Tyrants, we will deal with tyrants like you. Sooner or later, we will deal with tyrants like you. Your time is coming. Your time is coming. No, you sidewalk. You go to sidewalk. You can bring your dog to a sidewalk. You see, the intimidation tactics all the time, the power they think they have. You know, power trip. He has a badge and he thinks he owns the place. He's God in a castle. No, he's not. This intimidation tactic is not going to be tolerated anymore. Those people have to stop and realize they're working for us, not the other way around. And this is a protest. Wow. Certain people should never have an authority over another human being. Well, it's a very interesting day. I think that's how you grow. You know, that's how Canadians grow, in the rain. We grow in the rain. Someone, I think, has forgotten that this is Calgary, not Vancouver. Well, it shows that some people are very upset with Calgarians marching week after week after week. Oh, I know that voice. I think I know this voice.
Yes, I know that voice too.
Are you coming to Lethbridge for the rally, 4 p.m. on Monday?
Oh, I didn't even know about that one.
Yeah, Chris Sky is coming as well.
Down in Lethbridge.
Monday, yeah. Let me know if you're coming. We're going.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. yeah, in Lethbridge. I found this very fascinating that I don't know if you could see it, but the officers are having their masks down under the nose. And I think in the end of the day, most of them are sick and tired of this charade, this lie. They know it's a lie. They have to comply because otherwise they will lose their job. But they know it's a sham, and they're cheating as well, left and right, as much as they can. If they themselves would believe in the masks, they would keep it all the way. But having it under their nose, it just proves to everyone that they themselves don't believe. See, he has a mask under his chin. Oh, what a nice weather.
God save Canada! God save Canada from the traitors!
Uh-oh. People are so far. Are you going to sing something nice for us?
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love, in all our songs command. With glowing heart we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God people land, glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Contact wasn't strong, not elected. He wasn't strong. The voice of freedom.
So?
Only one made it in, and so then what that means is a lot of the unions and the NDP bought themselves a bear.
Hello? Hey. Hi, hi. So how you like the weather?
Oh, it's freezing cold and wet, but hey, Canadians, I want to ask, where are you? Are you sitting on your couches on Saturday while your rights are being stripped away? You're comfortably eating your supper while you still have some food in your fridge. Don't you think it's time to stand up and fight for your future of your children? Well, what do you think? Who's going to do it for you? The Chinese? Are they going to do it for you? And when I mention Chinese, I'm talking about the Communist Party, because there's many good Chinese people there. Who's going to do it for you, all Canadians? And I'm talking to the men now. Yeah? Yeah. What are you going to say to the children, to your children? Oh, your papa was too lazy to stand for your rights, oh my child. I know that you've been vaccinated 120 times. You can barely walk and breathe, but you know what? I was too lazy because after all, I got vaccinated 20 times and I had to work 5 days a week, and on Saturday I got a rest. What are you gonna say to your children, you know? Come on, it's enough. Arise, be a man. Man up. Man up. That's my 5 cents.
There's some brave Canadians that came. Kudos to them.
We're just going to pause, let people catch up. There's people way in the back still trying to catch up. Just going to pause here for 1 minute. We're just going to let people catch up.
Dancing in the rain. Adam, you're next.
Oh, I'm good.
You don't want to dance in the rain?
No, I'm okay. I'll let the other people.
Well, you got that freedom still.
Oh,
Tomorrow it might be gone.
Yeah, no dancing. Nobody puts baby in the corner.
That's it. Enjoy it while you still have it.
Well, yeah.
Okay, nice and slow. That's good. Nice and smooth.
Go to the fire!
To the fire!
Fire! Go to the fire!
That's right, to the fire! So you're not afraid of the rain?
No!
Why not?
Nothing I wouldn't do for this country.
Yes, God keep our land glorious and free. And you ladies, you're not afraid of being wet?
Already wet right now.
Better wet than dead.
That's true.
There you go. There are still some amazing Canadians brave enough to brave the weather. Willing to come.
I can't serve you, blah, blah, not my room.
And we even have our mayor You're not afraid of being wet?
No, I'm a soaked rat right now.
Better wet than dead?
Better wet than dead. That's right.
Oh, some brave souls not wearing a muzzle. Good, good for them. Good for them.
This was not a fair election. This election was cheated.
It looks like some fun is going on here. Hello, hello. How are you? Enjoying the weather? Okay, friends, I'm going to put a soaked telephone away and enjoy the walk, which is quite amazing that there is still a lot of amazing patriotic lovers of this country, beautiful Canadians that even though it's miserable, cold and wet, they decided to come and say no to tyranny, say no to wannabe pharaohs, say no to dictators of today. Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, God bless you guys. That's what it's going to take. A bunch of people that are willing to stand up and say no more. No more, we will not comply, we will not bow, we refuse. Just like in 1981, 1982 during the Solidarity movement. Do you know that this is the 40th anniversary? 40 years ago, Solidarity movement was on the streets, 1981, 1982. And they pushed so hard, millions of people, that the Iron Curtain was cracked. And just a few years later, the Berlin Wall has fallen. It took brave people, men and women, young and old, to come together under the umbrella of liberty, the umbrella of freedom. Freedom for you and freedom for me. When they did it, it was over for the villains. They won their rights back, they won their country back. And if you don't want to do it for yourself, do it for your children, for the future generations. Do it for them. Fight for them. Those children, those beautiful children are worth fighting for. So do it. Go out there, don't sit watching Netflix. Go out of your couch and do something. Every man, every woman can do something. Do something. Don't just watch your country going down to hell. Be blessed and see you next time.